Butylated hydroxytoluene, BHT, is a synthetic antioxidant used mainly to preserve fats and oil in a wide variety of foods, beverages, and cosmetic products. BHT is also found in pharmaceuticals, plastics and rubber, dyes and other industrial products. In the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA's opinion, the use of BHT as a food additive is generally recognized as safe. Despite its approved GRAS status, it is still important to consider the potential health risks of BHT and other additives that may be present in products containing BHT. BHT has been associated with a variety of health risks. According to the National Institutes of Health Safety Evaluation of Certain Food Additives and Contaminants database, BHT is generally recognized as safe but has been evaluated as posing a low risk of cancer in humans and could be a potential endocrine disruptor. The scientific data about the possible health risks of BHT is somewhat limited and contradictory. In animal studies, BHT has been found to have reproductive side effects that are linked with endocrine disruption. It has caused liver tumors, apoptosis, programmed death in cells, and enhanced the potential of organ damage from exposure to other chemicals. Studies have also indicated that BHT accumulates in various organs in humans and animals. In addition to its potential cancer-causing properties, animal and in vitro studies have suggested that BHT can cause endocrine disruption. Endocrine disruption is a condition in which hormone levels are disrupted, causing various symptoms in humans, such as weight gain, decreased fertility, and immune system dysfunction. BHT is often used in combination with other food preservatives such as potassium sorbate, ethyl paraben, paraben propyl, and benzoic acid. The combination of these substances can produce more toxic products than BHT alone, and these mixtures have been linked to endocrine disruption and carcinogenicity. In summary, it is important to consider the potential health risks associated with BHT and the combination of preservatives BHT is often found in. While the potential cancer-causing and endocrine-disrupting properties, extensive research has yet to conclusively confirm whether or not BHT is a health risk. Potential consumers need to consider the potential risks and make an informed decision.